The cryptocurrency world watched closely as Ripple faced the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This legal battle, initiated in December 2020, centered around the classification of XRP, Ripple's native cryptocurrency. The SEC alleged that XRP should be classified as a security, subjecting it to stricter regulations. This claim sent shockwaves through the crypto community, setting the stage for a landmark case. At the core of the SEC's argument was the assertion that Ripple had been selling unregistered securities to investors. They claimed that XRP's value was intrinsically tied to Ripple's success as a company. The case raised fundamental questions about the nature of cryptocurrencies and their place within existing financial regulations. The industry held its breath, watching and waiting for the court's decision. The crux of the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple hinged on the classification of XRP. The SEC argued that XRP met the definition of a security under the Howey test. This test determines whether a transaction qualifies as an investment contract and is therefore subject to securities laws. Ripple countered this argument fiercely, maintaining that XRP is a decentralized digital asset, distinct from Ripple the company. They argued that XRP's value was driven by market forces and its utility within the broader crypto ecosystem. The battle over XRP's classification became a focal point in the broader debate about cryptocurrency regulation. This legal back and forth highlighted the complexities of applying decades-old securities laws to the novel world of cryptocurrencies. In a significant turn of events, Judge Annalisa Torres delivered a partial victory to Ripple in July 2023. The court ruled that Ripple's programmatic sales of XRP did not constitute the sale of securities. This decision affirmed Ripple's stance that XRP, when sold on the open market, does not fall under the SEC's jurisdiction. The court recognized a key distinction in Ripple's XRP distribution. Programmatic sales were deemed not to meet the Howey test's criteria. XRP's price surged as the crypto market reacted positively to this partial victory for Ripple. The SEC, undeterred by the partial setback, has signaled its intent to appeal the court's decision. An appeal would likely focus on challenging the court's distinction between programmatic sales and institutional sales of XRP. However, the SEC faces several hurdles in pursuing a successful appeal. The court's decision was thorough and well-reasoned, making it difficult to overturn. The SEC's aggressive stance toward crypto regulation has drawn criticism from lawmakers and industry leaders. This mounting pressure could make it more challenging for the SEC to garner support for a protracted legal battle against Ripple. The outcome of this appeal will have significant ramifications for the future of crypto regulation in the United States and beyond. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC continues to generate uncertainty in the cryptocurrency market. While the July 2023 ruling provided some clarity, the possibility of an appeal keeps investors on edge. Despite the uncertainty, some investors view the current situation as an opportunity. XRP's price, though volatile, remains significantly lower than its all-time high. Those who believe in Ripple's long-term prospects see the current legal battle as a temporary setback and are accumulating XRP at what they perceive as discounted prices. The legal battle has also highlighted the need for greater regulatory clarity in the cryptocurrency space. The lack of clear guidelines has created an environment of uncertainty, making it difficult for businesses to operate and for investors to make informed decisions. Many industry participants are calling for a more balanced and nuanced approach to regulation, one that fosters innovation while protecting investors. Throughout the legal battle, Ripple has maintained a resolute stance, expressing confidence in its legal position. The company has assembled a formidable legal team and has vowed to fight the SEC's allegations vigorously. Ripple's confidence stems from several factors. They believe that XRP does not meet the Howey test's definition of a security, and that their actions have always been compliant with existing laws. They point to the growing support for cryptocurrency regulation from lawmakers and industry leaders outside of the SEC. Ripple has also been proactive in engaging with regulators and policymakers globally. This engagement demonstrates Ripple's commitment to working within existing frameworks and shaping the future of cryptocurrency regulation. Ripple's resolute stand has resonated with many in the cryptocurrency community. This support has been evident in the numerous amicus briefs filed in support of Ripple by various cryptocurrency businesses and advocacy groups. The Ripple versus SEC case is a watershed moment for the cryptocurrency industry with far-reaching implications for its future. The outcome of this legal battle could set a precedent for how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the United States and beyond. A victory for the SEC could embolden regulators globally to take a more aggressive stance towards cryptocurrencies. Conversely, a favorable outcome for Ripple could pave the way for a more balanced and nuanced approach to cryptocurrency regulation. The case has already prompted calls for regulatory reform in the United States. Lawmakers from both sides of the aisle have expressed concerns about the SEC's approach to cryptocurrency regulation. Several bills have been introduced in Congress aimed at clarifying the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies. The outcome of this case will likely shape the contours of this dialogue for years to come. XRP's price has been on a roller coaster ride since the SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020. The initial announcement of the lawsuit sent shockwaves through the market, causing XRP's price to plummet. However, the cryptocurrency has shown resilience, experiencing periods of significant price appreciation despite the ongoing legal battle. The July 2023 ruling, which delivered a partial victory to Ripple, triggered a surge in XRP's price. Investors interpreted the ruling as a positive sign, indicating that XRP might not be classified as a security after all. However, the SEC's subsequent announcement of its intent to appeal has injected renewed uncertainty into the market. The long-term price trajectory of XRP will likely depend on the outcome of the legal battle with the SEC and the broader regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies. The Ripple versus SEC case is more than just a legal battle. It will shape the future of the cryptocurrency industry. The outcome will have profound implications for cryptocurrency regulation and business operations. This case underscores the urgent need for regulatory clarity in the United States. A clear regulatory framework is essential for the industry to reach its full potential. The case also highlights the global nature of the cryptocurrency industry. Its outcome will impact regulators, businesses, and investors worldwide. The Ripple versus SEC case will play a defining role in shaping the future of this industry.